dimmer switches. They're real handy on a truck. They turn your lights from high to low or low to high. But what happens with this body style and this style in general of setup is these get corroded, either here in this or where the two ground bolts are that mount everything on. Now, what happens is salt and slush and crap from the winter and dirt and all that good general stuff accumulates around it, and then boom, corrosion, and then you start having the issue with what's happening with the old one on this, which is you click it. Well, I can't even click this one down no more. But generally speaking, there it is. You see how it doesn't kick back up? It should be able to do this. So what happens is they get flat spots in them, because whenever you hit it with your foot, you're not hitting it straight on all the way down the length of the body like my hand is. So they get flat spots, wore in the contacts, crap stuck up in them, whatever. And generally speaking, they just start having problems. Now in my particular case, this is an 88 F350. It had two 6mm bolts. On my 1970 F600, it had something like 1/4-inch bolts. So just your mileage may vary on that size. So to find your dimmer switch on these older trucks, which is a 1991 and down truck for Fords, just pull your carpet back. You'll find it. It's right there in the left corner up in the top there. And then when you get it down here, you'll have your old dimmer switch there, which will probably be really corroded and probably be really brittle and all that good stuff. You can actually see the old pieces of just crap that was there. Go ahead and remove those. In my case, it was a 6mm bolt head. So go ahead and remove both of the bolts and simply pull the switch away from your connector here. Just gotta press that on. Take this. And it would be a bad idea to clean all that up to make a good contact. Get some dielectric grease. Smear around here to keep the water and corrosion out. It wouldn't be a bad idea at all at this point. But yeah, just all you got to do is snap that in, mount that back over with the two 6mm bolts or whatever size your truck has, put your carpet back, and away you go.